If your mouse pointer has disappeared from your Windows device and you're stuck in this situation, then here's a video you can watch in fixing it. So first, try some quick fixes like reconnecting the mouse cable, check cables or batteries, try using a different USB port, and even test the mouse on another PC. Moreover, unhide mouse pointer in settings by searching mouse options. Then press the tab key on your keyboard until the additional mouse options is selected. Then, still using the tab key, press it until the pointer options tab is highlighted. Now head over the option Hide Pointer while typing box. Then press the spacebar to uncheck it and apply the changes by navigating to OK option. Another option you can try to do is to update or reinstall the mouse drivers. So do it by searching Device Manager. Press Tab and the down pointing arrow key to navigate to mice and pointing devices. Press the right key to expand. Choose one of your drives. Then press Shift and F10 to right-click. Then select Update Driver. Moreover, you can uninstall it by going to Uninstall and then install it again by pressing Shift and F10 again. Then select Scan for hardware changes. Now that's how you can fix disappearing mouse pointer in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.